Hi, I'm Karl Konrad. The Australian Immigration Law Services team is here to help people just like you to get their visas to live, work and study in Australia. We are based in Sydney, but we can help you wherever you are in the world. Things have become more difficult because of the pandemic, and many of us have been impacted in some manner from being unable to be reunited with our families. It's not easy to move between countries now with border restrictions of some form or another wherever you turn. As such, I wanted to talk about getting your parents to be with you in Australia. Since the beginning of the pandemic, there has been increased fears about our loved ones overseas, and this has created a strong desire for families to be closer together. The Parent Visa program has played a crucial part in bringing families together in Australia, and now more than ever, the importance of this visa class should not be underestimated. Parent visas are still available, but the processing times are obviously being impacted by the pandemic, and they are now taking longer. How much longer is hard to judge, but that will soon become obvious in due course. The Immigration Department does not provide processing times for contributing parent, contributing aged parent, and aged parent visa applications. These visas are subject to capping and queuing procedures. However, based on current planning levels, the Department estimates new contributing parent visa applications lodged that meet the criteria to be queued are likely to take approximately at least 64 months to be released for final processing. New parent and aged parent visas applications lodged that meet the criteria to be queued are likely to take approximately a massive 30 years for final processing. Contributing parent visas are where you pay the contribution fee that will cost nearly $50,000 per parent for a faster visa processing time. The Immigration Department figures for parent visa applications that have been released for final processing as of May 2021 were contributing parent visa applications with a queue date of up to May 2016. Parent visa applications with a queue date of up to October 2010. Aged parent visa applications with a queue date up to December 2012. For those who have already lodged a non-contributing parent visa but now realize that those waiting times are just too long to bear, there is a solution whereby you don't have to start the process from scratch all over again. Applicants for the non-contributing parent visas can make new applications for the contributing parent visas, and their time spent waiting can be transferred to their new application. That's right, if the application process is done correctly, any time spent waiting since you applied for the first non-contributing visa will count towards the waiting period for the contributing parent visa. This way, you are not starting the entire process from the beginning again. For example, if you lodged an onshore non-contributing 804 visa 6 years ago and now apply for the contributing parent 864 visa, those 6 years that you have already waited will be counted towards the queue for your new visa application. That may in fact place you at the front or near the front of the queue for your 864 visa to be processed. Unfortunately, you need to pay the application fee again, but the good side of this is you do not need to supply most of those supporting documents again. Overall, the process is not difficult, but the Immigration Department's website provides little information on how this swap is actually done. So let's try and make it clear. For both the onshore and the offshore classes, to swap over to the contributing stream, you need to complete the application forms again. On this application form, sign the withdrawal authorization of your first parent visa and pay the new application fee. It is vital that the withdrawal section is completed, for the withdrawal of the old application and making of the new application must happen at the same time. The sponsor will also have to complete a new sponsorship application form. For those who are in Australia and applying for the 864 contributing parent visa from the 804 non-contributing visa, when the new application is lodged, a new bridging visa A will be issued to replace the old one. Swapping over from the 103 visa to the offshore 143 application, of course, does not give any bridging visas. So swapping over to the contributing visa is a big investment, but the advantage of this is to enable your parents to get their visas as quickly as possible. And who would not want that? As always, we are here to help if you would like to discuss how this process is completed. You can book a time to chat with us on Zoom, Skype, or the telephone. You can request an appointment and find out more about us on australiavisa.com. Follow us on Facebook to get all of our updates, and before you go, don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you won't miss any of our videos. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, take care out there, and I'll see you next time. So bye for now.